is Brianna Nevedomsky, and today I will be teaching a third grade general education classroom with a student that has ADHD, or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. This lesson will be aimed at learning about what prediction is and how students can make predictions before, during, and after a story reading. Now, in order to accommodate for the child in the classroom with ADHD, task duration will be minimized to accommodate the student's short attention span. The assignments will be as brief as possible, and feedback regarding accuracy will be immediate. Longer projects will be broken up using the graphic organizer I provide for the students. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Now, today we're going to be learning about prediction and how can we make predictions before, during, and after a story. So before we learn how to make predictions about a story, we need to make some predictions of our own. Now, can somebody tell me, does anybody know what does it mean to make a prediction? Lauren?
A prediction means to think something's going to happen before it actually does.
That was a good answer, Lauren. Now, in front of you guys, everybody should have a worksheet. This worksheet is going to say, Lauren, please take a seat. We're in the middle of a lesson. Thank you so much. So the worksheet in front of you has 3 sections, and we're going to use this graphic organizer to organize our thoughts about what's going to happen before the reading, during the reading, and after the reading. Today we're going to be reading a story. The story is called The Little Mouse, the Red Ripe Strawberry, and the Big Hungry Bear. Now, just by looking at this picture, we can already make some predictions about what's going to happen in this story. Can somebody tell me, by looking at the cover and the title, what do you guys think is going to happen in the story? Casey?
I think it's going to be a story about a bear and a mouse hungry for food, and they're going to be looking for it.
That was good. That was a good answer. So just by looking at the picture of the cover of the book, we see that there's a big red strawberry and a mouse. Now, what else can you guys tell me about this book? Jonathan?
I think it's going to be about a mouse maybe fighting with the bear, since the bear is bigger.
Now, why do you think that the bear is going to be fighting with the mouse?
Because bears are scary.
That's a good guess. Bears are pretty scary, I guess, compared to a mouse, because a bear is so big and a mouse is so small. So I want everybody to take just a couple of seconds to write down what they think is going to happen before we even read the story. So take a look at your graphic organizer and just write one quick sentence about what we think is going to happen before the story. Good job. Okay, so let's start reading the story. Hello, little mouse. What are you doing? Oh, I see. Are you going to pick that red ripe strawberry? Lauren, pay attention. But little mouse, haven't you heard about the big hungry bear? Oh, how that bear loves red ripe strawberries. The big hungry bear can smell a red ripe strawberry a mile away. Okay, so now I want you guys to think, just by what we just read, did anybody have the right prediction?
I think I did.
And what was your prediction?
I think that the mouse is going to be scared of the bear because the bear wants and loves the strawberries, but the mouse is really hungry.
That's a really good guess. That's a great guess. Yeah, I mean, it does look like the mouse is kind of scared, knowing that the bear is really hungry and he does love strawberries. So now I want you guys to take a second and write what has already happened in the story. So in the during reading portion of your paper, please write one sentence about what has already happened in the story. Okay, so let's find out what happens. So, especially one that has just been picked. What do we think is going to happen? Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. The bear will thrum through the forest on his big hungry feet and sniff, sniff, sniff. Find the strawberry. Or who is guarding it? Mouse is really going out of his way. Or how it's disguised. Quick! There's only one way in the whole wide world to save a red ripe strawberry from the big hungry bear. Cut it in two. Share half with me and we'll both eat it all up. Yum! Now, that's one red ripe strawberry the big hungry bear will never get. So did everybody like that story?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part, Lauren?
My favorite part is when he cut it in two to share.
That's really nice. Wasn't that sweet of the little mouse to share with his friend?
Yeah.
That was nice. So now I want you guys to flip back over to the graphic organizer and write what happened after the reading, after we read the story. Did anybody have the right prediction?
No.
I think everybody was really just a little scared of the bear, and we thought the bear was going to come and take the strawberry away. But the mouse was very clever, and he came up with an idea of how to eat the strawberry before the big bear gets it. The mouse did a great job today, and so did you guys.